Hello, today we'll be performing a one-sample hypothesis test for a proportion. In this problem, we are trying to determine if the United States national unemployment rate is equal to 4.9%. We are given a sample size of 90, a sample proportion of 0.052, a hypothesized value of 0.049, and a significance level of 0.05. The first step is to determine the type of hypothesis. This is a two-tailed hypothesis because we are trying to determine if the national unemployment rate is equal to 4.9%. The next step is to determine the z-test statistic using the formula sample proportion minus hypothesized value divided by the square root of the hypothesized value times 1 minus the hypothesized value divided by the sample size. For this problem, you will do B7 minus B8 divided by the square root of B8 times 1 minus B8 divided by B6. As you can see, our z-statistic equals 0.1318, and we will now move on to find our critical values. Because this is a two-tailed test, we have two critical values, both positive and negative. We enter the formula norm.s.inv and enter 1 minus alpha over 2. For the p-value, we enter 2 times 1 minus norm.s.dist enter the absolute value of the z-test statistic, which is located in cell B11, and true. We are now ready to state our conclusion. Since the z-test statistic of 0.13, I'm just going to round, falls within the critical values of 1.96, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. This is verified by the fact that our p-value of 0.895 is greater than our significance level of 0.05. This means we can conclude that the national unemployment rate is equal to 4.9%.